Guards arrived to tie up the captured thieves, while Ali Baba and Merjana stood together smiling as justice was served. Ali Baba and Merjana celebrated their victory in a cozy room surrounded by friends, laughter and joy filling the air as they shared a meal. A beautifully set table overflowed with delicious food and drinks, and Ali Baba raised a toast to honor Merjana's remarkable bravery. Merjana recounted the tale of her daring adventure to an entranced audience, her hands animatedly illustrating each moment. The children's faces glowed with excitement and wonder, completely captivated by Merjana's storytelling in the warm, inviting room. Ali Baba and Merjana stood at the entrance of the cave, gazing at the hidden treasure within, awe reflecting in their eyes. A magnificent pile of gold and jewels spilled out from the cave's depths, shimmering brightly in the sunlight. Ali Baba and Merjana carefully loaded the treasure into baskets. Their expression